Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. These are the W735, W736, and W737H. They are some of my favorite models from Casio with 100-meter watt resistance and a front light button. The W735 and 736 have a vibration alert feature, while the W737 does not have vibration. And today, we will unbox the next one in this sequence, which finally arrived today. It is the Casio W738H. The box is simple, as usual with general Casio models. Inside, we have the user guide and warranty papers. And then, here is the watch itself. I have to give proper respect to this specific seller. They added bubble wrap around the watch case and special markings on the outside of the box for extra protection during shipping. And here it is, the watch I have been waiting for. It took some time for this model to become available here. It looks really good, totally worth the wait. This is the variant code 1AVDF, a black case, silver frame, and a positive display. Here is the front face. It looks really nice with a hint of the classic blue frame line, similar to the Casio F91W. The case shape looks similar to the AE1200 or the Casio Royale, but this one has a front light button and the side ones are square buttons. Here is the buckle and strap. They look simple but nice. And here it is side by side with the AE1200. In terms of size and shape, they are very similar. Here are the side buttons. The digits are larger, which is very nice and easier to read. Next, let's check the modes. We have time, countdown timer, stopwatch, alarm, and dual time. The menu structure is similar to the W736H with tab indicators at the lower part of the display. It is easy to understand and easy to track. Now let's check the chip code. It is 324216, the same as W736H. So we can expect the same menu structure. This means I can make a setting and operation tutorial for this model soon. Here is the display visibility from several angles. It is quite good. And yes, the lower right button has a different color and texture. This is a cool design detail. It easily highlights that this is the special button to activate the vibration alert. Now here is the backlight. It is not as bright as the W736H Super LED backlight, but it is still bright enough and spreads well across the display. And here it is on my almost 7-inch wrist. It looks very good. I will make the full review in about a week, so don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions about the features or anything else, please leave a comment below. See you soon and have a great day.